If we start with 9,500, we multiply by this 1.04 to the 5, then this is saying that after growth by 4% for 5 years, we end up with this value. Okay. However, if we were to divide this equation on both sides by 1.04 to the 5, then this factor will cancel on the left. On the right, we'll have this value divided by the 1.04 to the 5 there. Okay. Now, that can also, when you're dividing by this 1.04 to the 5, that can be written as multiplication by 1.04 to the negative 5. Okay, so this is normally how I think of it. Okay, that if we want to go 5 years into the future, we start with the current value and multiply by this, and that will give us the value 5 years later. If we want to know the value 5 years previously, we can start with the current value, multiply by the multiplier raised to the negative 5. And then when we do this calculation, it will give us the value 5 years previously. Okay. One thing I can say is I've just taken the values from the book here. I realize that when you do this, there might be some rounding errors. Okay, but that's not the point that I'm making right now, so let's not focus on that. So here it is. Here's kind of Mark's kind of time travel theorem here. So to get the value n years into the future, you multiply by the multiplier raised to this exponent n. And if you know the current value and you know it's been growing with a certain multiplier, then you can get the value n years into the past by doing this. So this should be an exponent. This multiply to the negative n. Okay.